Okay guys, so currently we're climbing Mount Longonot. We're halfway up, and we have to climb all of this. All that up there. It's quite steep, and it's estimated that it's going to take us about half an hour to an hour to climb that. I'm just going to quickly flash up some cool facts and trivia that you might not have known about Mount Longonot. This is Mount Longonot. It's standing a staggering 2,776 metres above sea level. Mount Longonot is a stratovolcano located southeast of Lake Naivasha in the Great Rift Valley of Kenya. It is thought to have last erupted in the 1860s. Its name is derived from the Maasai word Olongono, meaning mountains of many spurs or steep ridges. Its last eruption was precisely 1863. Mount Longonot was formed some 21,000 years ago by some Triassic lava. The diameter of the volcano crater is 1.8 kilometers, and it takes about 6 hours to make the trek around it. Okay, so we're about 3/4 of the way up Mount Longonot, and hope you enjoyed those facts I just played there. But have a look at this. You can see the sediment on the rocks changing as the years go on, and how it's grown. So these bits here are quite interesting, these two lines that are run across here. I don't know what they are, but they're quite cool. And then you can see this over here, quite fine, quite sandy. And this stuff here is also quite sandy, but it looks quite like ashy, so there may have been a volcanic eruption. Well, 20 minutes later, and this is the crater. Absolutely huge. As you can still probably hear, I'm panting a lot. It's altitude, yeah, I'm starting to feel that at the moment. And yeah, it is incredible down there. Hey, take a look at that view. Over there is Lake Naivasha, where we just were. And then you've got some mountain ranges over there.